English to Galician. Can you, equals.
¿Puedes?
Welcome from Synapse Lingo. Hey, friend, ready to level up your Galician? This episode is brought to you by Synapse Lingo. Visit www.synapse-lingo.com for more resources. Today you'll nail the request, can you, in Galician.
¿Puedes?
We'll keep it fun with a tiny dialogue, a rhythm trick, quick drills, and a quiz. Let's go. Your goal today. Your goal is simple. Use
¿Puedes?
naturally in everyday situations. You've got this. In Galician, can you, is.
¿Puedes?
For extra politeness, try.
¿Poderías?
Could you? To flip the tone, use.
¿No puedes?
Can't you? Careful, it can sound pushy. Gesture tip. Raise your eyebrows, tilt your head, and open your palm as you ask.
¿Puedes?
Mini dialogue. Listen to this super short scene and repeat after me. You, could you pass the salt? Friend.
¿Puedes pasar o sal?
You, sure? Friend, thanks. In Galician.
Gracias.
Pronunciation beat. Feel the rhythm to lock it in. Clap, clap, pode, pause. Say it with me.
¿Puedes?
Again.
¿Puedes?
Now add a verb.
¿Puedes ayudarme?
Can you help me? Drills. Echo these quick requests, clear and confident. Can you help me?
¿Puedes ayudarme?
Can you see the stars?
¿Puedes ver las estrellas?
Can you come tomorrow?
¿Puedes vir mañana?
Can you open the window?
¿Puedes abrir a janela?
Could you be more polite? Polite form.
¿Poderías falar máis a modo?
Can't you wait a minute? Tone warning.
¿Non podes agardar un minutiño?
Culture tip. A tiny taste of Galicia for flavor. In a cozy Galician kitchen you might hear, can you taste the soup?
¿Podes probar a sopa?
The phrase is friendly and warm, like a key that unlocks help. Whisper.
¿Puedes?
And doors open. On the Camino de Santiago, can you take a photo?
¿Podes sacar unha foto?
Quick quiz. Test time. Answer out loud after the pause. How do you say, can you, in Galician? Answer.
¿Puedes?
Translate. Can you fix this? Answer.
¿Podes arranxar isto?
More polite. Could you? Question mark quote. Answer.
¿Poderías?
Negative question. Can't you open the door? Answer.
¿Non podes abrir a porta?
Your speaking challenge. Time to own it. Say it, don't just know it. Make 3 real requests today using
¿Podes?
ideas.
¿Podes cargar o móvil?
Can you charge the phone?
¿Podes escribir iso?
Can you write that?
¿Podes esperar un segundo?
Can you wait a second? Bonus rhythm loop. Clap, clap.
¿Podes?
Pause. Repeat with your own verb. Outro. Nice work today, you showed real progress. Thanks for listening to Synapse Lingo. Keep practicing.
¿Podes?
In real conversations and revisit the dialogue and drills. For more English Galician lessons, printables, and audio, visit www.synapse-lingo.com. See you next time.